Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, and that is where the red and green line are coming from, but the red line here is about to play a very important role. But you got to give credit where credit's due. Things were not looking good after Wednesday's price movement, but then today the price came roaring back, and there's no doubt about it. That was a very, very nice move. Nobody's going to refute that. But the big question now going forward is, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just one of these knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type moves? I have no idea, but like I said, by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at 250, which first needs to be updated, and this is just basic technical analysis rules. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that if this is the start of something bigger, well, then the price needs to keep on getting bigger, or in other words, the price needs to show signs of progress. You don't want to see the price going back to where it was, right? Because that would be the exact opposite of progress. So with that in mind, think about 250. If the price were to come down to 250 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, but the difference being in this situation behaved like that before then beginning to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.50. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Main battleground going forward initially going to be right there at $2.60. And then if 260 can be broken, next key overarching level after that, right up there at about $2.64. So 260, 264, next couple of key resistance levels going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Got to give credit where credit's due. Nice movement today. Now let's just see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.